come here. All right, yeah. Okay, so this is a sneaky video, a sneaky secret video. All right. So a few weeks ago, we were talking to Coach Icy Mike, and one of the questions I had was, hey, what if I'm new in the world of kickboxing? How do I get started? Well, today's video, we're going to help you with that. But first, let's get into a few things that he talked about last time.
Yeah, what I took away what you said was saying earlier is I think what Sifu Dan and Ed was saying is sometimes you got to sell it. Like even though those punches might not score, you got to throw them enough to where the person's gonna buy it.
Yeah.
Whatever. Like I don't want to be out here like
yeah, it's got to be believable.
Yeah, you got to sell it.
Yeah, and throw them early and often. More. That's what most of your coaches are yelling at you to do when they're saying like work the jab. Most new people are like, I don't know what that means.
Right.
It means to jab more, and then he'll give you more instructions. Send more punches earlier. Send them even when you think you're out of range, and then that'll let you commit to them to get in there. But absolutely, sell it. Throw real punches. Don't just,
yeah,
the whole time.
I guess that's what I was talking about. That's what I see.
Yeah,
like, the person was way out there, like boom, boom, and then they came in with their kick.
Yeah, big comment.
You're so way out there.
Guys with no actual striking base do that a lot. And the punches were never in there. But if you've gone shh and you've gone shh,
right.
And now when I do this, now it's like it's more serious.
Yeah.
And if I'm balanced when I go. And if you run when I double jab, that sets you up for that kick.
Nice.
You know, so I think that covers, if you do those things, that'll level you up pretty quickly. It'll put you out ahead of all the other guys who are of similar experience level, like 6 months in, 8 months in, 8 months in.
And then how early, because I know you do a lot of coaching and then you do the IKFs.
Yeah.
How early have you had someone do one of those? Like if they've been training for 6 months, they do IKF for 3 months, 4 months?
So if you do a point kickboxing, like the PKBs,
okay,
they can drop right in there 6 months.
Okay.
You know, I've had guys start as early as 4 months, but they were exceptional dudes. You know, they were pretty good from day one.
Right out the gate.
Now if you said first full contact fight, it depends greatly on the individual. I like 2 years, and most people are like, that's way too long. You know, most of the gym bros that come in are like, I'm a future UFC champion. I've already got my walkout song picked out. And I'm like, bro, you can't like punch, you can't double jab across the mat. You know what I mean? I say 2 years.
2 years.
First full contact fight generally. I mean, maybe you're a stud. Maybe you're awesome and you can fight tomorrow. Cool, great. Regular people, 2 years.
So the last thing I was thinking about, so did you watch the very original The Ultimate Fighter, the very first season with Chuck Liddell and Randy Couture as the coaches?
I did. It's been a long time.
So the thing that I took away from that was they would keep telling their fighters, go for three, go for three. And they meant a combination of 1, 2, and then something, a 3.
Yes.
And I have watched, because we were taught this in karate when I was a teenager, like white belts to blue, 3 is a minimum.
Yes.
Blue to purple, 5. Purple to brown, 7. Brown to black, a minimum attack of 10.
Yeah.
And so I have watched UFC forever, and I can't, still to this day, like, pop, pop. And it's like, that's supposed to do it. It's like,
or worse, single shots.
Or the singles.
Naked kicks. Just sending the kick out there because you don't want to go box with a guy.
Right. So you coach people that competed. You just had one not too long ago.
Yeah.
And so what is your combo base? Like, is it minimum of 3, minimum 5? What do you kind of train for?
Yeah. So the answer is what you said. You want punches and bunches, punches and bunches, punches and bunches, and combinations. Yeah, 3 to 4 punches. End it with a kick is what I really want. I really want like a couple, and then ending with a kick.
Okay.
Now the hurdle, how to get a guy to do that, is tough. It comes down to forcing yourself to start, and this is going to sound backwards. People are going to be like, this isn't right. Right? This is not right. I decided right now. Now remember, I'm a beginner, 6 months, 8 months in. JD's a beginner, 6 months, 8 months in. We're sparring. I'm deciding right now at this moment that I'm going to throw 1, 2, 3 leg kick. You might be like, well, what if something happens in the middle? Well, let me tell you something. If I'm 6 months to 8 months in, I suck, period. Right? I'm not going to like see, oh, this worked. That worked too. Yep, I'm in position. Bam! You just need to launch it. And have faith in it. Listen to your coaches, especially if you're getting corner advice. The guy's yelling what to do, just do that. Whatever you're thinking of is not as good. Yes, I might get countered. I might get boom, boom, boom. That might happen. But you know what was gonna happen if I didn't do it? From across the room.
Yeah.
So just launch your combos, have faith in what your instructor told you, and it's probably better than whatever you were thinking.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks, sir. Well, cool. You guys made it to the end of the video. You know I'm going to ask. Do me a favor. If you like the video, hit that like button. You can see more of Mr. Icy Mike, more of me, and maybe even Sifu Ed if you're lucky. And then if you like the stuff you see on our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Smash it. Hit that subscribe button. And then finally hit that bell icon, ding ding, and leave a comment. I'd like to see what you guys have to think about some of this stuff. Do you have other ideas? Cool. Well, I'm out. Coach Mike is out. You guys stay safe. That's it.
Punches and bunches.